Assalamu alaikum, dear student. My name is Professor Salman Zaman and I am HOD of Chemistry Department at Rhodes International School and College, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Today I am going to introduce about the basic concepts of chemistry. In basic concept of chemistry, first we discuss about stoichiometry calculation. Student, stoichiometry calculation, it is a combination of two words, stoicho and metry. Stoicho meaning elemental and metry meaning measurement. So the branch of chemistry that deals the quantitative relationship between reactant and product for a balanced chemical equation is called stoichiometry calculation. Student, if I look into the definition, then the important thing is that balanced chemical equation and quantitative. The word I use quantitative meaning, let I want to synthesize 5 kg of ammonia on industrial level, then how much nitrogen and hydrogen is required, it will be discussed in stoichiometry. So stoichiometry एक्चुअल में बेटा किस चीज़ को डील करती है, हम इंडस्ट्री के अंदर कोई भी मालिक्यूल बनाना चाह रहे हैं, कोई कंपोनेंट बनाना चाह रहे हैं, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाना चाह रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए जो हमारे पास रॉ मटेरियल होंगे, जो हमारे पास रिएक्टेंट होंगे, उसकी कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी। आई मीन के लेट्स सपोज करें मैंने 5 kg अमोनिया बनाना है, तो उसके लिए नाइट्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन की कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, दैट विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन स्टोइकोमेट्री कैलकुलेशन. Next is the basic definitions like molecular mass. It is the sum of atomic masses of all elements present in a molecule is called molecular mass. For example, molecular mass of water is 18. Now how it comes? In water molecule there are two components, one is hydrogen and the other is oxygen. So I will add the atomic masses of each element and the total mass is equal to 18, and AMU is the unit of molecular mass and it stands for atomic mass unit. The second example is molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98 atomic mass unit, because in sulfuric acid there are three components, one is hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. So when I added the atomic masses of each element, then we get 98 atomic mass unit. Next is formula mass. Sum of atomic masses of all elements present in a unit cell or ionic compound is known as formula mass. Student, formula mass is used for ionic compounds only because they exist in the form of unit cell. That is why we use word formula mass. For example, formula mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5 atomic mass unit. So mostly this question come in exam, that what is the difference between molecular mass and formula mass. Then you have to write the definition of molecular mass and the example of molecular mass, and similarly you have to write the definition of formula mass and the example of NaCl. Next is mole. If the mass of an atom, molecule or formula unit is represented in gram, then it is called 1 mole. For example, 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram per mole, 1 mole of methane is equal to 16 gram per mole, and 1 mole of NaCl is equal to 58.5 gram per mole. Student, if I look into the water molecule, then it has 18 atomic mass unit. But when 18 atomic mass unit is represented in a gram, then it will be equal to 1 mole, and similarly for methane and NaCl. What is the formula for calculation of mole? Mole is equal to mass in gram divided by molecular mass of substance. So student, अगर हम फार्मूला में देखें तो there are three parameters, mole, mass in gram and molecular mass of substance. So if any two parameters are given, then we can calculate third parameter. For example, calculate moles of 9 gram of water molecule. In given example, mass in gram of water is given as that is 9 gram and the molecular mass of water is 18 gram per mole. So when I divide these two numbers, then I will get 0.5 mole. So 0.5 are the moles of 9 gram of water molecule. Mole is the unit of moles because gram और gram cancel होंगे and we get only mole. Next is Avogadro law. According to this law, for 1 mole of any species, they have equal number of atoms, molecules, ions and formula units. The number which used for Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and this number is known as Avogadro number. For example, 1 mole of methane is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. 1 mole of water is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. 1 mole of NaCl have 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 ions. If I look into the molecular mass of methane is equal to 16, water is 18 and NaCl is 58.5. These three components, molecules have different molecular mass and formula mass, but they have same number of molecules according to Avogadro law. Now how to calculate number of molecules? Number of molecules are equal to mass in gram divided by molecular mass of substance multiplied by Avogadro number. As we know that mass in gram divided by molecular mass of substance is known as mole. So simply if mass in gram is given, then first we calculate the number of moles and then multiply number of moles by Avogadro number and we get number of molecules. For example, calculate number of molecules in 30 gram of sulfur dioxide. The mass in gram is given as 30 gram and the molar mass or molecular mass of sulfur dioxide is equal to 64 gram per mole. So the number of moles are equal to 30 gram divided by 64 gram per mole and we get 0.468 moles. So these are the number of moles of 30 gram of sulfur dioxide. When I multiply these number of moles into Avogadro number, then I will get number of molecules. तो स्टूडेंट, आज का जो लेक्चर था इसमें हमने बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री के बारे में पढ़ा है। आई होप कि सब स्टूडेंट को समझ आई होगी। इनको आप रिवाइज करें और उनके रिलेटेड जितने भी एग्जांपल्स हैं आपके चैप्टर नंबर 1 के अंदर, आप उन एग्जांपल्स को सॉल्व करें। थैंक यू सो मच, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।